So my name is Jim Thelemann, and I'm a quality control inspector. I've been with the company just over 2 years. After 20-some years in corporate management, mid-management, primarily in the financial industry, I had kind of a yearning to get back to working with my hands. So I just started to explore different opportunities. I just was really looking for something a little different where I could kind of get back to my roots of physical work. I like physical work. And get out of the office, get out from behind a desk and get away from pushing paper and have an opportunity to do something where I'm more involved in the actual production of products and have some input there. Not only just the physical work of it, but also being able to provide input into how things could be maybe a little better or a little different. Regardless of the industry, you have a lot of transferable skills that you could bring with you that would be of great value. Dave Bunce, who works here, we share a mutual friend, and he had told me about SRC, that they were hiring and that people really liked working for the company. Very hands-on, very accessible to leadership, good transparency about the company and what's going on with the company, and that just really appealed to me. Knowing that your leadership is going to be walking the floor and be around and stops by to say hello is a lot different than the environment I was in. When I'm done for the day and I go home, I'm done. I'm not carrying all that stuff home with me, and I'm not getting phone calls at any time of the day or night. I can come in and do a good job, look back at what I did for the day, and be proud of what I did and feel good about it, feel like I've accomplished something, and it's right there in front of me. And there's also this team effort where if you need to pull somebody from somewhere else to maybe meet a deadline, everybody's willing to do it. They'll jump in anywhere to help out. And then just the little things, like when you're trying to move a cart of coils and somebody who doesn't even work in the department might be walking by and they'll be like, here, let me help you pull that over. Little things like that make it really an enjoyable and a feeling of camaraderie and teamwork among all the employees. I'm very glad I switched to Super.